and you are here with Contortion KK Tutorials. For today's video, I will show you guys how to hook your feet behind your arms. I also have other tutorials if you guys want to check those out. All the links will be down in the description below. Let's get started! For the first part of this video, I will show you guys how I get my hook-up push-up. For the first exercise, you will be in a seal position. Then you will bring your legs back and try to touch your legs to your head. Now you can bring your legs together, tilt your head back, and try to touch your head once again. Then I go into my bridge and I stretch my back a little bit in the bridge position. I will rock back and forth, bring my legs together and stretch. Then I will go down and then I will repeat the process going back into a bridge. Now, when I feel ready, I will go into my elbow handstand and try to touch my head to my upper back. I will straighten my legs, go back up again into a bridge and go down, relaxing my back. Once again, I will go back into a bridge and then I will go back into an elbow handstand. I will stretch a little bit in the elbow handstand, a little more, and then right away go into a chin stand, putting my hands right behind my back. I'll go into a straddle and a split-like position in my chin. Go back up into a bridge and slowly release. For the next exercise, I will be starting from my knees and going into my chin stand. I will try and touch the palm of my feet to the floor and stretch my back a little before moving on to the next exercise. For the next exercise, I will be starting from my knees again and then going back into a chin stand. I will try to touch my feet again to the floor and then bring my arms slowly trying to touch my ankles. I will release and then I will repeat the process, stretching my back in the meantime. I will go down from a split position, down onto my knees again. Once again, I will go back into a chin stand. Bring my arms behind me and stretch my back. Now I will be straightening one of my legs in order to try to touch the floor. I will repeat the process to the other leg, trying to touch the floor as far away from me as my knees as straight as possible. I'll repeat the process to stretch my back and get it ready for the next exercise. Now I will straighten both of my legs one by one, going into a chin stand and then out, relaxing my back. For the next exercise, once again, I'll be going back into a chin stand. This time, I will bring my hands right under my chin and trying to touch the palm of my feet to my floor. as I try to straighten my legs as straight as possible. Slowly release. Now we will be starting in a seal position. You will hook your legs under your arms for both of your legs and stay in that position until I feel ready. Now I slowly push into my chin stand and I stay there, relaxing my back and stretching it. I put my hands right under my chin and stretch it a little more. Slowly release. Starting on my knees for the next exercise, I will be going back into a chest stand. Now I will bring my arms forward and my legs straight, and I will try to hook him behind my arms. At first, I will try one by one in order to get it and get used to it before doing both of them at the same time. When I feel ready and I feel like I have mastered one leg, I will do the same thing to both of my legs. Release and go down. Finally, I will go into a handstand and hook my legs in a handstand. But before I do that, I will just plainly go in a handstand to warm up my wrists and my back and get ready for the hookup push-up. I will stand in a straight handstand and then I will bend my knees. Repeat the process. Slowly go down. For the next exercise, once again, I will go back into a split position and into a handstand. I'll bring my legs as down as possible and I will try and hook one leg at a time. I will keep repeating the process until I feel like I am fully comfortable to hook two legs. I will slowly go down. Once again, going back into a split position and into a handstand. I will hook one leg and I will stay there as long as possible. I'll take it out and I'll do the same thing to the other leg. Once I feel comfortable, I'll swing both my legs into a hookup position. Slowly release and go down. Now, when I have mastered my hookup position, I will go back into a handstand and I will do them in a row. As you can see here, I do them 3 times in a row. Slowly go down. Now I will be going into a handstand from the bridge. I will bring my feet as close as possible to my hands. Then I will slowly push up. Then I will do my hookups. Now I will go into a resting position to stretch out my back and relax it from all the exercises that I did. I will stay there for about 20 to 30 seconds before coming out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give this video a like and subscribe. You may go watch my previous videos if you'd like. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!